Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the Tulip Bunch. Today, talking about Callas. They're coming back in favor. They were so popular in the 1900s, and then they faded out by 1970, and now, all of a sudden, they are in trend again. So, easy is, make sure when you get them, give them a fresh cut. Put them in fresh water. No more than 2 inches. That's your tip. Needs to be 1 to 2 inches. Deep water, they fade more quickly. So shallow water with flower food. And if you're going to keep them on site, in stock, for more than 2 or 3 days, change that water out with fresh flower food again, and they will last easily over a week. But if you put them in deep water, or you don't change the water, they're going to fade very, very quickly. Now you know how the pros do it.